Hello everyone. Today we will see how to find the solution of an equation. In the previous class or in the last day we had seen that how to make a statement using the equation and how to write the statement from the equation or how to change from equation to statement. But today we are going to solve an equation. We'll see how we'll find the solution of the given equation of a variable. So in solving the equation, we will follow some rules. There are some working rules. First one is we can add the same number to both sides of the equation. As we know that an equation means which is having two sides, LHS and RHS. So for example, if the equation is x minus 5 is equal to 4, then how to find the solution? Here you can see that it is given that we can add the same number to both sides. Same number means if it is given minus 5, if it is given in minus, then you have to add the same number. Here we have to find the value of x. It means we have to remove minus 5 from the left hand side. It is left hand side and it is right hand side. And we have to find the value of only x. It means you have to remove minus 5 from here. If it is given in minus, so we'll here add the same number. Here minus 5 is given, so add plus 5 to both sides. So minus 5 plus 5 will cancel out, means x plus x minus 0 is equal to 9, or we can write it as x is equal to 9. So first working rule say that if an equation is given in minus, means if any number is given in minus with variable, it means you have to add the same number in both sides. The next working rule, we can find the solution if we subtract the same number from both sides of the equation. For example, equation is given x plus 3 is equal to 7. Now we have to remove plus 3 from here, and it is possible only when we will subtract minus 3 from here. So subtract 3 from both sides. So x plus 3 minus 3, 7 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 will cancel, means only x is left, and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So you can see that the value of x is equal to 4. If any number is given in addition with the variable, so it means you have to subtract the same number from both sides. And if it is given in plus, minus, it means in that time you have to add here. Then third one, we can multiply by the same non-zero number to both sides of the equation. Non-zero number means the number should not be equal to 0. For example, if the equation is m by 5 is equal to 3. Here you can see that it is given fraction, but we have to find the value of only m. So we have to remove 5 from here. And how can we remove? If we multiply both sides by 5. If 5 is given in division, it means you have to multiply here. So multiply by 5 on both sides. So we can cancel 5 by 5, m is left, and 3 into 5, 15. So m is equal to 15 here. Then fourth working rule, we can divide the same non-zero number to both sides of equation. If the equation is 5x is equal to 20. Here 5 is given in multiplication with x, but we have to find the value of only x. It means we have to remove 5 from here. If 5 is given in multiplication, so we can remove by dividing by the same number 5. So divide by 5 on both sides. So answer will be x is equal to 4. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So in this 4 working, what we have seen that if any number is given in subtraction with variable, so at that time you have to add in both sides. And if in equation, if it is given in addition, then you have to subtract the number from both sides. If it is given in division, you can see that 5 is given and divided with variable. In this type of equation or in this type of question, you have to multiply by the same number on both sides. And if it is given in divide, like 5x is equal to 20, it is x, 5 is given in multiplication with x. If you want to remove 5 from here, in this type of questions you have to divide here, means you have to take the opposite sign to remove the variable. The last one is we can transpose a term from one side of the equation to other side, but its sign will change. And this is called rule of transposition. See, if the equation is x minus 5 is equal to 0, without adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing, we can easily find the answer. Transposing means we have to take this 5 to next side, to other side. x minus 5 is left hand side and 0 is given in right hand side. And if we want to take minus 5 to right hand side, its sign will change. You can see that in this x minus 5 is given in minus, and if you will take to right hand side, it will be changed into plus 5. Same in next one. If the equation is x plus 4 is equal to 0, you can see that here 4 is given plus, and if you will take to right hand side, it will change into minus. So x is equal to minus 4 will be the answer. So the rule of transposition is easy. If any number is given in subtraction, so on other side it will change into plus, and if it is given in plus, then it will change into minus. Same for multiplication and division also. For example, 5x is equal to 20. Here 5 is given in multiplication with x. If we transpose 5 to right hand side, it will change into divide. So it will be written as 20 by 5, or 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So answer is x upon x is equal to 4. Same, if it is given x by 4 is equal to 2. Now we have to remove 4 from here, and it is given in division. So if you want to change, if you want to take 4 to right hand side, then it will change into multiplication. So x is equal to 2 into 4, which is equal to 8. So our answer of x is 8 here. So let us see some questions based on this topic. Our exercise 4.2, question number 1. Solve the following equation. So 20p is equal to 100. What is the meaning of solving the following equation? Equation means we have to find the solution, and we have to find the solution of the variable. And what is the variable here? P. And here 20 is given in multiplication with p, and we have to find the value of only single p. It means we have to remove 20 from here. And how can we remove? By separating the variable. You can see that 20p means 20 multiply p is equal to 100. As 20 is given in multiplication with p, and if we transpose, or we can, if you want to change 20 from left to right hand side, it will change into divide. So 100 by 20. So 21 is 20, 25 is 100. So answer is p is equal to 5. And we have used the rule of transposition. Transposition means if it is given in multiplication in left hand side, so in right hand side it will change into divide. Let us see next question also. P by 4 is equal to 5. Here only you have to find the value of p. It means you have to remove p4 from here. As 4 is given in divide, it is given as like this: p divided by 4 is equal to 5. And if we take, or if we transpose to right hand side, it will change into multiplication. So 5 into 4, which is equal to 20. So answer is p is equal to 20. Third one, minus p by 3 is equal to 5. Same, you can see 3 is given in divide, and if we take to right hand side, it will change into multiplication. So 3 into 5, 5 3s are 15, and it is the value of minus p. Now we can take this minus sign also to right hand side, so p is equal to minus 15. Then fourth one, 3s is equal to minus 9. You can solve as question number 1. Fifth one, 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. First of all, you can see that here two numbers are given. 3 is given with s and plus 12 also. So we will transpose 12 to right hand side, as it is given in plus 12. And if we change to right hand side, it will change into minus 12. So 3s is equal to minus 12. Again 3 is given in multiplication with s. So in this side, in right hand side, it will change into divide. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So answer is s is equal to minus 4. As it is given in minus, so it will be, answer will be in minus only. Then seventh one, 3q minus 6. As it is given in left hand side, it is given in minus. So in right hand side, it will change into plus 6. So 3q is equal to 6. Now again you can see here 3q is given. It means q is in multiplication with 3. So we will take this 3 into right hand side. It will change into divide. So q is equal to 6 upon 3, which is equal to 2. Like this you have to solve the homework questions here. Now see the question number 2. Give the step will you use to separate the variables and then solve the equation. In first one, it is given without any separation of variable, means directly we can solve. But here in question number 2, it is given that first of all we have to separate the variable. Separate the variable means we have to separate both variable and constant. And after that you have to find the value of, we have to solve the equation. So first one, 8x is equal to 48. Here you can see 8x means 8 multiply x, where x is variable. It means its value, you can see that in every question the value of x comes different. It means it is a variable and it is a fixed number. So it is known as constant. So we have to separate the variable from 8. It means we have to remove 8 from here, from x. So 8x is equal to 48. Now we have to write single x. It means you have to remove 8 from here. So how can you remove? If we divide both sides of equation by 8. So divide both, as we have seen in the example also, if any number is given in multiplication, so at that time you have to divide and on both sides of the equation, so the balance will, your equation will be balanced. So divide both sides of equation by 8. So 8x upon 8, which is equal to 48 upon 8. So if we divide here, so 8 is cancelled by 8, means 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8. So x is left. 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 48. Or what is the meaning of this? It means you have to divide 48 by 8. So 8 6 are 48. So answer will be x is equal to 6, which is the required solution of the given equation 8x is equal to 48 here. Next one, b by 2 is equal to 6. Here also you have to separate the variable. It means you have to make b as single, means free only. You have to remove 2 from here. You can see as 2 is given in divide. So how can you remove? If you multiply both sides of equation by 2. So multiply both sides by 2. So you can see that 2 is cancelled by 2. 6 2s are 12. So easily we have found the answer b is equal to 12 here. Then third one is same as first one as your homework, third and fourth. Then fifth one, z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. Here z is a variable and 3 is given in denominator. As it is given in divide, so how can you remove? If you multiply both sides of equation by 3. So multiply. So 3 is cancelled by 3 and z is left, and 5 3s are 15, 15 by 4. So the answer is z is equal to 15 by 4. Then sixth one, 2 by 3 x. Here 2 by 3 means 2 is given in numerator, 3 is given in denominator, and we have to remove both. So first of all, if you want to remove 3 from here, as 3 is given in divide, so if we want to remove 3 from x or variable, so we have to multiply in both sides equation by 3. So multiply here. So you can see that 3 is easily cancelled. Left is 2x minus 24. Now again 2 is with x as it is given in multiplication. So how can you remove? If we divide both sides, 2x and 24 by 2. So divide by 2. So 2x upon 2, which is equal to 24 upon 2. So again 2 is cancelled by 2. Left is x. And 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. So answer is x is equal to minus 12. Like this, we have done all the questions. In this question also 20x is equal to minus 10. Here it is given in minus. As 20 is given in multiplication, and if you want to separate the variable means we have to find the value, only the value of x. So how can you remove 20? If you divide both sides of equation by 20, then you can easily find the answer. So divide 20 by 20. Left is x, and 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. It means minus 1 by 2 will be the solution of the given equation. Like this way, in you have to solve every equation. So what we have seen, if any number is given in multiplication, it means if any number is given in multiplication with variable, so at that time you have to divide by that same number on both sides. And if it is given in division, then you have to multiply in both sides by the equation by the same number. And if it is given in minus, so you have to add. And if any number is given in addition, at the time you have to subtract. It means the opposite sign you have to use here. So I hope you all have understood question number 1 and question number 2. So the next question we'll see on the next step of our class.